Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today's topic is sulfur drugs or sulfonamide drugs. Sulfonamides are a group of man-made or synthetic medicines that contain the sulfonamide chemical group, that is SO2NH2, a sulfonyl group connected to an amine group. They may be also called as sulfur drugs. They have been widely used in the treatment of bacterial diseases. Let us discuss the general properties of sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are the oldest and remain the most widely used antibacterial agents in veterinary medicine. This is because of low cost and their efficiency in some common bacterial diseases. All sulfur drugs are derivatives of sulfanilamide, that is para-aminobenzene sulfonamide. It contains sulfonamide functional group attached to aniline. The general chemical structure of sulfonamide is shown in this figure. It has four parts. First one is para-amino group, then aromatic ring, sulfanilamide group, and N1 substitution group. The amino and sulfonamide groups on the benzene ring are essential and should be in one for position. Replacement of aromatic ring by other ring systems or the introduction of additional substituent on it decreases or abolishes activity. Exchange of the SO2NH group by CONH group reduces the activity. Substitution of aromatic heterocyclic nuclei at N1 yields highly potent compounds. N1 disubstitution in general leads to inactive compounds. Sulfonamide drugs were the first broadly effective antibacterials to be used synthetically and paved the way for the antibiotic evolution in medicine. In 1935, Domark, a German scientist, demonstrated the antibacterial therapeutic property of Brondosil, an azodipprocessing para-aminobenzene sulfonamide group. He was awarded Nobel Prize of Medicine in 1939 for his outstanding contribution. The antibacterial activity of the drug was due to its sulfanilamide component. These are some important sulfur drugs. First one is sulfanilamide. Sulfanilamide contains the sulfonamide functional group attached to aniline. Sulfur drugs are derivatives of sulfanilamide, also known as para-aminobenzene sulfonamide. Some other derivatives of sulfonamides are listed here. Examples are sulfapyridine, that is N1,2-pyridyl sulfanilamide, sulfadiazine, salacin, etc. Sulfur drugs are bacteriostatic in nature. The bacteriostatic nature of sulfonamides is due to their similarity in structure with that of para-aminobenzoic acid PABA. Enzymes within the bacteria require para-aminobenzoic acid PABA for the synthesis of folic acid. Folic acid diffuses or is transported into human cells. However, folic acid cannot cross bacterial cell walls by diffusion or active transport. Hence, bacteria must synthesize folic acid from PABA. PABA is structurally similar to sulfonamide. Sulfanilamide competes with PABA for incorporation into folic acid, since the bacteria is unable to distinguish between them. If the sulfur drug has been substituted for the PABA, then the final enzyme is inhibited and no folic acid is produced. This inhibits the growth and multiplication of bacteria. Thus, the sulfur drugs are bacteriostatic in nature and are called antimetabolites. Classification of sulfonamides is based on chemical structure, duration of action, spectrum of activity, and therapeutic applications. The classification, rate of absorption, and half-life appears to be clinically relevant. Based on this, the sulfonamides are classified into three groups: short-acting, intermediate-acting, and long-acting agents. Short-acting agents means sulfonamides with a half-life less than 10 hours or 4 to 8 hours. Intermediate-acting means sulfonamides with a half-life between 8 to 12 hours. And long-acting means sulfonamides with a half-life longer than 24 hours. According to therapeutic use, sulfonamides are again divided into many types. Some are listed here. Sulfonamides are used to treat eye infection, skin infection, meningitis, respiratory tract infections, leprosy, malaria, etc. While there are many medications that contain sulfa, allergic reactions to sulfa antibiotics are most common. Symptoms of an allergic reaction to sulfa drugs include rashes, itchy skin or eyes, and swelling. Side effects of sulfonamides include Stevens-Johnson syndrome or skin rashes, urine precipitation, leukopenia, folic acid deficiency, and aplastic anemia. Thank you everyone for watching this video.